Hello again, everybody. Okay, here is a really cool mathematical card trick that will always work. I'm not going to perform the trick. I'm just going to teach you how to do it. So get your deck of cards and follow along. What you're going to do is you're going to give the spectator 20 random cards. Just deal them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now you're going to make a prediction, and that prediction is going to be the number 11. But you're just going to lay that down. You're not going to tell the spectator you're making a prediction. You're going to keep that down to a piece of paper. Now, you're going to ask the spectator under the table, behind their back, what you want them to do is flip over the top two cards, and they can cut the cards. They can flip over the top two cards. They can flip the deck. Flip over the top two cards, cut the deck again, flip over the top two cards. They can do this as many times as they want. Cut the cards, flip over the top two, flip over the deck, flip over the top two, cut the cards, flip over the top two. When they're done, they hand you back the deck and you're not looking. Now you take the deck back. Behind your back, what you're going to do now is you're going to alternate every other card. So you're going to keep the first card, you're going to flip the second. Keep the third card, you're going to flip the fourth. Keep the fifth card, you're going to flip the sixth. Keep the seventh, you're going to flip the eighth. Keep the ninth, you're going to flip the 10th. Keep the 11th, you're going to flip the 12th. Keep the 13th, you're going to flip the 14th. Keep the 15th, you're going to flip the 16th. Keep the 17th, you're going to flip the 18th. Keep the 19th, you're going to flip the 20th. This is all done behind your back without you looking. You're going to alternate, reverse every other card. Then the final thing you're going to do is you're going to flip the top card over behind your back. Now you bring the cards in front of you and you're going to make the prediction. Whatever that top card is, if it's face up, there are going to be 11 face up cards. If it's face down, there are going to be 11 face down cards. So you then say, my prediction is going to be that there are going to be 11 face down cards. And you show that you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And show them that your prediction was 11 face down cards. This always works because what you're doing is, even if the spectator just turns over the first two cards, whatever they do, there's always going to be an even number of cards that are flipped over. So let's say that's all they do, is just turn over two. They could do this as many times as they want, but let's just say, for example, they just do one flip. When you're taking the cards back, you're going to alternate, reverse every card. So again, you're going to turn over the second card, the fourth card, the sixth card, the eighth card, the 10th card, the 12th card, the 14th card, the 16th card, the 18th card, and the 20th card. Now the spectator doesn't know this. You're doing this behind your back. What you have is you have an even number. So there's exactly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 face down cards and 10 face up cards. So no matter what they do, when you alternate, reverse the cards behind your back, there's going to be exactly half. So that's too obvious of a prediction. So what you're going to do is, behind your back, you're going to flip the top card, and you don't know what it is, but all you know now is that that card is going to be what there are 11 of. So you bring it in front of you. If it's face up, your prediction, you say, on this piece of paper, I have predicted a number, and there are going to be 11 face up cards. If it's face down, there are going to be 11 face down cards. That's it. Try it. And let me know what you think, if this works, if this was too confusing, if you were able to follow along. It's a pretty cool mathematical trick, and it will blow people away. Or not. That's it. See you next time.